Okay, this is Celebrity Apex Concierge Veranda, I believe they call it. Look how pretty. They have little things like the coral, and there's little secret stash things. I don't know how to open it, but little things like that. This one opens too. And then a big king size bed, big closets on this side, TV on this side. I guess that pulls out into a bed. Sure looks like it. And a desk, but you can actually move that desk. And then this is the infinite veranda. What I like is it's just a humongous window. But it does open, and then you can close these doors if you like. We're in Port Canaveral right now, so it's not the most exciting view, but you can see there's like a roof that hangs over. This is floor 12, room 231. But that's kind of nice because it makes it so it's not too bright in here. And then I'll just show you real quick the restroom or bathroom. It's nice. It's nice and very minimal, kind of clean. Okay. This is big. I would say this is a big bathroom for a cruise ship. There we go. And it has this large, I would call it a large shower with some soaps. I mean, that's pretty nice. And then here's the sink. Yeah, it's good.